We say Arvinaka to all our friends, our listeners singing this morning. To our friends in Nandi tuning this morning. Well, Nandi is the bustling town today.
Every Nandi now Nandi.
Because of the UB40 concert today.
Yes,
definitely. To all the visitors from overseas who are here with us, we say Arvinaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Arvinaka Demesi. If you rewind the Demesi, it's called Simende. And Eleanor.
Illinois.
America.
Today is Friday.
Yes.
Friday is a day that we call the last day of the work from Monday to Friday.
Right. And it is also the ending of the first week of school. Right.
Who will be the first student to arrive home this afternoon? That's a competition. Most of the people they will be half day today.
Yes.
Because of the
today is the sports day or what?
Sports day they wear sports uniform.
Right.
Yeah.
Sports uniform.
Like us gang from gospel, we have our own bulawea.
Okay.
On this day, and Friday is our sports uniform.
Right.
Like today?
Yeah.
Like today.
Yes,
So for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is a uniform day.
Yeah. When you went to school in the village, do you have the uniform day?
No, we uniform.
All throughout the week, eh?
All throughout the week uniform.
Right.
Kota kami na musuay nindo tingaya were kaya na PE session na songo.
Yeah.
Especially during the cadet, then you bring your cadet uniform.
Asama na makasama na binakan din na biyaw niti ko na sports uniform. Because when we were kids, most of the time we tend to damage our uniform. Akambaso na kukuning gito dandalita ka ba? May kornibuli nga ito mo na uniform din nga yan na sote kambaso.
Yeah. There was school days in the village last year in primary school. And they started the uniform day.
Yeah.
Friday, no clothes day.
No clothes day, man!
From my last primary school when I was in class 6. Because I never...
And his body is talkative all over.
Class 6. My last primary school, I was in class 6. At that time, Arturo was in junior secondary school. So I was in Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4.
Right.
Yeah, at the time. So the last primary school I went to is when I was in class 6.
So right after... So nung mga Torres Torres kaki, do mokot pinagnasangana. Then do lumunron.
Lumunron mentarambasika.
You'll be 40 today. You'll be 40.
Okay, you'll be 40 today. Okay.
Yes.
Demesi. Okay, there's one favorite song, one well-known song, one hit song from UB40.
Okay.
Kona red wine.
Yeah.
Nothing but okay. Niko mabitstaka. If you feature nice.
Yes.
If you utilize the
wine in the mundamu. Wine in the mundamu. Wine in the mundamu.
Uy. Okay, red wine go to my head. Make me forget that I still need her so. Red wine.
It's up to you. All I can do, I've done. Memories won't go. Memories won't go. I'd have sworn that with time, thoughts of you would leave my head. I was wrong. Now I find just one thing makes me forget. Red wine.
Ya, bila aku totoo mo tirang kang sera na mata ka di bengkaraw di kuha. O mata na sera na buong kati ko na katabi nanti kir nanon lang mata tiko lang murid ko na sera. O ira na sara UB40 na singa binang ni.
Right.
Makras yang sega will be going down to the west.
Oh,
red wine breakfast in bed.
turang mata gaya.
Ero combination sarakin ero na sere. Na red wine what kena breakfast in bed.
Remix.
Dato ko na nga Alice, siya ka ni Raraw na korsi.
Binabala mo Punjas, we welcome you Friday. Thank you for choosing our day. And so on, so forth. Pelikoroy.
Say mo ni Panu be.
Mana pinaka bro? Abe ben matewalong ko may bunibesi may sabu-sabu. Bro. Andre. Pambul tal tungay ng dua. Daw mbula pinak. John Kumar, Rusya Tewandalis. Banu be laysan daw. Hey, ana sin hindi mo mus. John Kumar. I like love. LM36 Northern Sorry. Yes.
Pelikoroy, yan rin naka. Like, share.
To all the friends, we'll be going to the concert today.
Yes.
Please do take heed of the baka salah sa sulit sekali beki muni na bi ngono kita sara. Maro ada nomuni yao ng bawosi, da nomuni telefoni be ko yaki.
Ay, andi na sara.
Ako ditaw tu nomu tangi muru siya nomu ke pa pa nepsek. Me maro ipo binaka bata na bio soso na liuni bunua. Araw ni taki kina na pickpocket de grabi kaboya. Sarita kini ndara bito akari buli kina beki muni na dorburo ngone leo beki muni tambangone de sigem bibuli ke pa ni ngole kina. Ni tato may bale tu lebih tabat kina I'll be going to the UB40 concert baru kilachiku maka aku ni the ochi da UB40 ke badi basi mani tuku lost child missing person
iya
ya itu bikada enjoy the Friday today enjoy the weekend pokoknya di bidang berbito ka di maru sigurun bulla me do nangon tega biru ngodin tamat kina go kurmundu